Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Sean Lee, the Vice President of Digital Marketing here at Pure Romance. Today I want to talk to you about how you can make money online this summer using your personal website. For all the new consultants out there, did you know that every single consultant has their own professional website on pureromance.com? This is something that you can drive your customers to so that they can shop with you from home or on their phone. To make matters even better, every single sale you drive through your website, you get a 30 to 40% commission on, paid out weekly. It's great because your customers can shop with you from literally anywhere, on their couch at home or on their phone on the go. It's a great way to drive sales in between parties during the slower summer months. So why is using your personal website so great? We pay out a 30 to 40% commission on every single website sale. So if your commission's under $20, it'll carry over to the next week or then be put as a credit on file on the COO. If it's over $20, that gets paid out every single week, cash money for you, so that you can use it for extra money to spend, your vacation, for savings, or to pay down debt. So how can you start leveraging your personal website this summer? One, the first thing that you can do is build a VIP group if you don't have one already, and invite your former customers from parties and your friends and family to it. The second thing that we've seen people do really successfully, especially in Puerto Rico, is be consistent and promote a product daily, whether that's a post about a product or going live and demoing a product every single day. It's really helped them drive some sales. Because remember, just 3 sales a week on your personal website, which is one every other day, can help bring in an extra $250 to $300 in commission for you every single month. It's a great way to stay active in the business and a great way to keep your customers engaged in between parties. So, good luck and use your personal website. Reach out to the e-commerce team if you have any questions.